One student. Today we will see the unit number OCM subject 6.2 responsibility toward different the interest of group. The business cannot be function in isolation. It depends upon the society of the input and output. In this is the conduct of a various interests of the group, investor, owners, employees, and other factors. The interest all that there should be balance of the properly protect. Now, number one, responsibility toward of owners. Number one, responsible profit. Second, exploring business opportunity. Optimal use capital. Minimize wastage. Efficiency of business. Clear product and stock exchange. Expansion of depression. Periodic of information effective with the owner funds. And number 10, credit of goodwills. Number 1, responsibility profits. First, responsible profit. Second, exploring business opportunity. Business opportunity. Third, optimum use of capital. Fourth, minimize wastage. Minimize wastage. Fifth, efficient of business. Efficient of business. Four, six, clear practice. Therefore, practice stock exchange. Seven, expansion of depression. Expression and derivation. DRVER, differentiation, PION. 8, periodic information. Periodic information. Nine, effective with the owner funds. Effective of owner's fund. And 10, creating goodwill. Creating goodwill. The 10 topic explanation today. Number 1, responsible profit. The business should be responsible profit of facility, growth and expansion with the bringing of financial stability. Second, exploring business of opportunities. The opportunity has a scope of available and the business of expand, grow of derive. The business of the businessman should be alert, find out the opportunity. For the success in the business of a very clear in whenever the arise of the should be explored. Optimum use of capital. Available capital should be used carefully and efficiently. Business risks should be considered in management should be given attention of the safety and capitals of the management. Number 4, minimize wastage. Business organization can be minimize profitable and minimize wastage. The wastage of time, money, manpower should be minimized. Number 5, efficient of business. Spare resources of the should be utilized in optimum level. Efficient of the resources increase in profitability and productivity should be business conducted efficiently. Number 6, fair practice of stock exchange. All short unclear practice related stock exchange like the insider trading, providing wrong of the sector information should be avoided. In the share price artificially increase of the discretion of the increase loss and common of the investor. Number 7, expansion and depreciation. For expansion and depreciation, business should be given growing the developing. Business should be under R&D, research and development, various projects in the place of the market in competitive of markets. Number 8, periodic information. Owner should be complete of the accurate information in financial position, business, disclosing information for the report in circulation of other factors. Number 9, effective use of the owner funds. Owner fund must be utilized in the best possible manner. It should be given short term and long term in the return of the times. Number 10, create of goodwill. The goodwill is the management should be developed, maintain goodwill, public of image, as well as request of the company, man's of the respect interest of the market, in responsibility of the ownership. Second, today we will see the responsibility towards of owner. Tomorrow we will see the responsibility toward of the innovator and other factor of the job opportunity. Thank you so much.